is Eddie Inspiration. And now we're back again on Smart Up Your Life with our friends from the members of the oldest English community in Makassar, Benteng Panua English Club. And we are talking about the childhood and also, of course, the children's rights. And so, if you can mention one thing in your childhood that you miss the most. So, from Husna.
I don't know about others, but for me, I just miss a play with my friends in how to say in lapangan terbuka. Yes, play
The open
football,
field, yes.
football and etc. with my boyfriend, boys friends.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, and others games. I just
Okay.
miss that moment.
Okay. Rindy? What they miss the most?
I don't know. Maybe I miss play. Always play with my family. Like my chosen because now it's very difficult to meet them again. Since them grow up.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Because life changed
Yes.
since we grow up.
This is
Okay.
it.
So, any?
Oh yes.
What?
I think the moment that very unforgettable in my life is when the moment when we are as a childhood with my friends go to the mosque at the yes
In
very
Ramadan.
yes.
So you bring the book.
Oh, of course.
You have a sign from the imam. And also the motif. Yes. And you have to collect that book
Yes.
when you enter to the school. When you back
Yes.
to the school.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Miss Dewi, Miss Dewi.
For sure, the moment without no gadget, yeah.
Oh yeah. We don't gadget that.
Yeah, no
in
gadget.
That year.
And I enjoy also fighting and debating with my sister.
Oh.
And
I think with the boys.
Yeah, my old brother trying to protect me because I was the smallest, and almost every week I spend my weekend in my auntie house because she still don't have any kids. And when I get back home, she give me much money, include my because she and her sister, she has a sibling about three person, and no one married, and that's why I felt rich, rich at the time when I get back home. And the moment that my parents, when how busy they were, but if they have a free time, and they brought me to like Pantai Losari, and it was a very luxurious holiday in town, in Pantai Losari.
Yes.
And that was the moment the Pantai Losari still was a very ancient and natural.
Okay.
And I even can feel the atmosphere up now because I don't want to compare it between nowadays and long time ago, but I mean that was an incredible moment.
Okay.
Thank you.
Miss Suksin, what do you like the most?
Actually, a little bit shame because when we were child, there is no smartphone. So the most memorable things that I really love it I have a gang, like with a gang, a little gang, and we always meet in one place in the same time, like in time. Like we promise at school that we have to meet in this place at 4 p.m. for example, and without any for now maybe we will call our friends or chat our friends that
Talking
where
in
are
the
you,
group,
where
have a
are you,
chatting
like
group,
that,
yes.
Chat, and we talk anything in our Sosmed, in our group, WhatsApp group for example. But it was like we don't have any any gadget to like to communicate each other, but we always in time in that place that we have promised before.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
it was incredible, you know. Like okay, let's meet in this place, like to play how to say skipping rope together, and then let's get there, but please at 4, and we always on time at the time at 4 o'clock. So it's like we don't need gadget to come on time, because even now maybe we put the alarm to meet, like in this time I have to meet this, I have to meet my friends this, but at in childhood we didn't need that the gadget much, different for the children for now on, actually. So I really love to
I put the
remember.
highlight from your answer. In that moment when we were a child, in our childhood, we learned to be consistent. We learned to have a commitment.
Yes.
No PHP.
Yes.
No PHP,
When, for example, when our teacher say you have to come 2 o'clock in the school.
Yes. And it's
We come 2 o'clock in school.
Yeah.
So if we see the nowadays childhood, maybe
we say OTW gitu, on the way, but OTW from where? like lesson, from the bathroom, for
beautiful
example.
moment.
Yeah,
That's a beautiful
different.
moment.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's totally different.
Yes, maybe that's one of the differences between our era,
Yeah.
our era, and now.
And your era, our and
Okay.
theirs.
Let the youngest talk.
Thank you.
Okay,
I
well,
love
for me,
that word.
the thing that I miss the most, of course, playing with our friends.
Yes.
Nothing to think. There's no, how to say, beban hidup.
Yeah.
I miss together
Yeah.
with the member of big family every weekend.
Yeah.
Every weekend in our grandparents' house. And right now, that moment cannot be repeated because of the difficulty.
Difficult.
Because each member of the family has their own family,
Yeah,
has their own business,
life.
and that's maybe something that we cannot have again in this era. But guys, there are so much differences between our era and now. What do you how to say the positivity from our era and this era right now? You see the childhood right now, and you see their lifestyle right now. What is the positivity that you've got
From
your
our childhood.
from that differences? I don't want to invite you to or calling you to compare, but let's see the differences and the positivity that we can learn from that. From Annie first.
Okay. So for me, I think the positivity that I can take from my childhood, I think at the moment the education from parents is really guide us to be good character. At the moment we have our family, we have our environment that teach us how to have a good adab. I mean, we can learn how to be more menghormati, respect. Yes, how to be more respect to the oldest and how to have affection each other. I think it's the best education that I have in my childhood. Yes.
Okay. Rindy, maybe.
Maybe
Rindy, please.
Rindi or Rindu?
Okay, in the past there were no tools or technology that had not yet reached the level of advanced superiors. Well, nowadays there are many people who use advanced technology such as cell phones, like komputer, HP dan lain-lain sebagainya. In this day and age, everything is available and not like it used to be. Maybe I think that's all.
Okay, thank you, Husna.
Yeah, like Randy said before, right now there is technology, but when I was child, there is no like phone. So if I spending time with my friends, we just spend our time together. But right now, if I meet with my friends, we just play our phone one by one, and don't talk too much with others. Yeah, that's the positive vibes with my child. If we talk about the past.
Okay, but the positivity of
we spending more time with our friends, our family. Yes.
Okay, maybe. Okay, I got the point. Okay, the technology may be the one of the positivity that, we got right now, and that's a huge differences between our childhood and nowadays. But one thing that also very, we can see the differences is how our parents educate us. Like let's say parenting method of the parents. Look up to the old parenting method and now.
Yes.
So what you learn from that, Miss Suksin?
Of course, it's totally different. Like the parents, the old parents, totally different. The way they teach the children is like the traditional way, which is really like great touch. Great touch with the children itself, like directly tell, like when someone, like the children did something wrong, directly tell them like you shouldn't be like this. But different with the children, maybe the parents like that. I can say that like mama's zaman now is everything is like mama's zaman now is like everything based on the gadget. When her children get sick, the first thing is I have to post in my social media that my children is sick. But the parents before, they directly said, "Oh, what happened with my child? Oh, I have to take this one to my child." And the second one, maybe she will tell the neighbor about that. Yeah, my children last night get sick, get flu, so I have to do like this. But now everything, the first thing they thought right now for mama's zaman now is I have to post first.
Okay. The way they share information and getting help is from the gadget and social media.
Social media is like their everything. Everything they can get from that. But sometimes it's bad because they as a child, the children will always copy what the parents do, isn't it? They always. So when their mom always with gadget, for example, so they teach their children to always stay to their phone. Because they copy it from the parents. When their mothers come, wait mom, I have to do this. Wait mom, my game is not over yet. Wait.
Exactly.
It's totally
we hear
different,
the
right?
clarification. Please, Mama, modern. Mama zaman now, clarify the statement, please.
Sorry, what's the question? I mean, what is the point of question?
Okay, you can clarify the statement. How about the parenting method?
Okay, I'm as a
era when we were children when we were child, and now
I'm as a mother. As a mother, mother millennial right now, because I have a daughters, two daughters that is trying to imitate me, and I have to be thankful to my late of mom because she was educate me, was very disciplined. Include she loves much and collecting some books, a magazine or something like that. That was I imitate her without she force me and press me,
Yes.
and that's why I the positive things I get from my parents, especially my mother, because I thought that my best idol and inspiration is my mother, yeah, and everyone does the same to their mother, and I would like to be the same, like what my doctors see from me. Because I think that all the education, high education I get from my parents was very expensive, and I think not everyone is as
Got that one.
as lucky as me. I may say that. So that's why I want my doctors also feel the same like me, yeah. So that's why I educate also like our sister, because she is a teacher. You are a teacher,
Yes,
yeah.
because I'm
And I say that the perspective, of course, only happen in some of mother, yeah, but not for me, because again,
Not all mother.
not all of, because
Not all.
in my home, especially because I'm a mother, full-time mother, no nanny and no housewives, and no housemaid, yeah.
No housemaid and
I do it myself, handling my husband and my kids. During the first day I pregnant and up now, and that's why I feel enough. I feel enough and satisfied of the way I educate my children. Every 2 hours we cannot deny about the era in technology.
Yes, we have to.
My children has their own cell phone, but I give them rules, and since because they have also kitten, kucing, something like that, and I don't like kucing, but I let them keep it. I let them, as long as it's a positive hobby, and I give them every 2 hours for 1 hour for playing games, and 2 hours we're playing with their kitten,
Okay.
and another hours they should help me, because now my first daughter is 11 years old and the second is 7 years old, so I give them
11.
about skill,
Yes.
I teach them how to be
good management.
good management. No, I mean, because they have to be a valuable girl one day in the future. So that's why everything is going smoothly right now as a mother, because I have a very helpful daughters at home.
Well.
So
I
how-
believe every parent has their own way
Yes.
to educate
Their
and to raise
children.
their children. But I saw from the differences about the parents in our era.
Yeah, right. And now
the
parents
modern
now.
parents is the modern parents, maybe because of the technology and the modernity. The modern parents most how to say more aware about the children's rights,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Then when we were the children, we have the rights as a child, but we don't know how to have that rights, and our parents also didn't know how the way they could give us our rights.
Yeah.
So I love the way the parents giving the freedom, giving how to say, giving the space like you've done, like you did to
Yeah.
your daughters.
So how lucky your daughter.
The time, giving time to the chance, to the children to explore their
Yeah,
their talent maybe, and etc. So we have to know also what are the children's right that we have to know, and also maybe smart listener have to know about the children's right, because children has also their own rights to live in this world. So we gonna tell you, smart listener,
the rights.
the rights,
Children's right.
the children's right after the break. So don't go anywhere.